You're looking at question 31 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. The satellite is in a parking orbit if its period is, generally speaking, parking your spaceship is like parking your car in your parking lot. A satellite is said to be in a parking orbit if its period is exactly equal to the period of the Earth as it turns its own orbit, which is about 24 hours. So the correct answer to this question is option A, which is it's equal to the period of the Earth. We're looking at question 32 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. What types of mirrors are capable of producing parallel beams of light, such as those arising from the headlamps of a car? Correct answer to this question is option C, which is parabolic mirrors. The reason is because parabolic headlamps have complex lenses to distribute light. We're going to be looking at question 33 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. A body of mass 36 kg falls through a viscous liquid which offers a drag of 260 Newton on the body. The upthrust on the body at terminal velocity is, we're going to be using the formula mg, which is the weight of the body, minus v, the viscous drag, minus v is equal to 0. We have our mass m as 36 kg and our v as 260 Newton. So we're going to be having 36 times 10 minus 260, which is our v, minus u is equal to 0. Recall that our u here is the upthrust. So our upthrust is equal to 360 minus 260. That's the product of 36 times 10 gives us 360 minus 260, which is equal to 100 Newton. So the correct answer to this question is option D, which is 100 Newton. Question number 35 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination is what you're looking at. Lenz's law is a law of the conservation of A. Momentum, B. Energy, C. Electric current, and D. Electric charge. Lenz's law is a common way to understand how electromagnetic circuits obey Newton's third law and the conservation of energy. So the correct answer to this question is option B, which is conservation of energy. We are looking at question 36 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. Counting the currency notes with moist fingers is based on the principles of. Correct answer to this question is option D, which is adhesion. Adhesion is a force that exists between unlike particles or molecules. This force causes these particles to stick together, and this can be seen in this scenario. We are looking at question number 37 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. If negative charges are induced on an electroscope and a positively charged rod is brought near the cap of the electroscope, the leaves will. When a positively charged rod is brought near the cap of the electroscope, the leaves collapse as the positive charges on the rod neutralizes the negative charges on the electroscope. So the correct answer to this question is option C, which is close up. You're looking at question 38 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. One special advantage of alcohol over mercury as a thermometric liquid is its. Alcohol as a thermometric liquid has many advantages over mercury, and one of the advantages is low density. So the correct answer to this question is option A. You're looking at question 39 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. Which of the following is a property of steel? Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon and can be used to make permanent magnets. So the correct answer to this question is option B. It can be used for making permanent magnets. We're looking at question 40 of the JAMB 2019 physics examination. One of the conditions necessary for an object to be in equilibrium when acted upon by a number of parallel forces is that the vector sum of the forces is. For an object in equilibrium, the resultant force acting on the object must be equal to 0. So the correct answer to this question is option A, which is 0.